Pat was going to call you then, Fred, if he...
I'm going to call him right now.
Okay.
What's going on?
Yeah, Aaron.
I have no idea either. It could be anyone, really. I mean, I have no idea. What's that? Didn't have what?
She looks good.
She does.
You're breaking out.
Nice and slow. My hand's shaking.
Well, there's nothing to do. We'll just try and check back with him and oppose the new hour.
And then she'll turn around and she's going to go in front of him and then they'll hold up the paddle if it's red or blue. Oh, wait, I think she has to wait then. Because that's Bobby in front. So he'll go. That's a fancy saddle.
Yeah.
I can't see. So I think when they go by, then he holds up the paddle.
I've never seen him
He has to back up. Well, this is districts. This is different.
You can't...
It's all like elimination kind of. Different rounds, different... No, he held up blue.
Oh.
See the paddle right there?
Oh, the other guy held up red. There's another guy behind him. He held up red and he held up blue.
It's whoever they're facing. She's in front of the guy with the back to us right now.
Okay. I was looking at this guy.
Okay, and I can't... You look and see what he holds up because I'm filming.
All right.
She's backing up. He held up a blue for her. See, and she patted him, so...
Yeah, he did. How come you guys are running